if you're just starting out and you're completely sick and tired of G, now change to a C, now to a D, and what is happening? Let's do something fun today. Let's get one of the chord shapes you know or you're practicing and start moving it across the fretboard without lifting up your fingers. So how this works is, for example, I'm gonna start with the C shape. See what happens. Now I'm not gonna let go of that shape. I'm just gonna release a little bit of tension and not press as hard, so I can glide it to another position of the neck. And the only rule here is that it has to work with all 6 strings, because you don't want to have to be focusing on gliding that shape and then, oh, I can only play 3 strings, right? You're going to want to be able to strum through it and have fun. So I'm going to be strumming that C. And one of the positions that works is if I put my middle finger on the dot on the 5th, 7th, 9th fret. Look how beautiful that sounds. I could play that all day, and just with one shape, now you have 2 beautiful sounding chords, a little chord progression. Let's try another shape you might be working out. For example, the E major shape, right? Now if we start gliding that, this one gives us a little bit more positions to where we can glide them. So all 6 strings, let's start moving it. Ooh, that sounds kind of funky flamenco-ish. Let's start here. Okay. That sounds really nice. Okay, so let's try this. Pretty cool, right? I think there's more. Yeah, that sounds nice. Awesome. So you can start improvising just by moving that little chord shape and see what happens. Let's try with an A chord shape. You might be fretting it like this. I'm just going to change my fingers and fret it like that. It's just more comfortable for me. So we're starting here. Let's go. Ooh, that sounds nice. Ooh. I'm just improvising. So you see, I'm only moving one of those chord shapes to other positions of the neck, but the rule is I need to be able to strum through all 6 strings and still sound nice, because I don't want to have to be worrying about what I'm strumming or what I'm not. I just want to have fun for 5 minutes with my guitar instead of struggling, changing through chords, which is very tough in the beginning. If you want more easy things you can do on guitar, you can download this little book I put together for you. It's 30 pages called The Beginner Guitarist Playbook. You can download it for free. The link is going to be somewhere in the description. Go and check it out. It's free, and I think you're really going to like it. Hope it helps, and I'll see you in the next one.